Introducing KHW, where craftsmanship meets innovation. Our customer-focused approach means that we specialize in crafting premium bags, tailored to the unique needs of global brands and businesses. Since 2008, KHW has been a trailblazer in the bag industry. We've consistently exceeded expectations, earning the trust of major brands like Canon and Sony. With more than 16 years of export experience, our main markets include North America, Europe, and Australia. KHW boasts a robust global presence, exporting to over 100 countries. Our manufacturing facility spans 11,000 square meters, housing over 100 skilled employees, and cutting-edge technology, ensuring top-notch quality. We proudly hold certifications including ISO 9001-2008, Sedex, and SGS. At KHW, our commitment extends beyond production. We provide a quick response sales team, quality assurance, and one-stop service. We have a team of over 100 dedicated professionals, including R&D experts. KHW is driven by a passion for innovation. Our people are the heartbeat of our success. KHW. Elevate your style. Be extraordinary.